Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will cook a traditional Bengali recipe called Alu Chochori or potato curry. We can have it with any Indian bread like roti, paratha, luchi, poori and even bread. It can be served during breakfast, meals and even snack. It's a quick recipe which can be prepared at a short time with minimal spices. This recipe shows how my dad made at home. If you like this recipe, then please click like, subscribe and bell icons below and leave a comment. The ingredients we need are potato or aloo, 2 large cut into small cubes with skin. Without skin can also be used. Wash it after cutting. Drain water thoroughly and keep aside. Grinded ginger or other theto, 2 tablespoons. Grind it in mortar and pestle or hamandista. Grinded green chili or kacha lonka theto, half teaspoon. Grind it in mortar and pestle or hamandista. Chopped or slit green chilies or kacha lonka kucho ba majhe chera, 2 to 3 can also be used. Bay leaf or tejpata, 1. Dry red chili or shukno lonka, 1. Panch foron, 1 teaspoon. Nigella seeds or kalo jeere, 1 teaspoon. Cumin or jeere, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder or holud, 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili powder or Kashmiri lonka guro, half teaspoon, optional. Salt to taste or noon shadonushar. Mustard oil or shorshe tel, 2 tablespoon. Sunflower oil or surjamukhi tel, 2 tablespoon. To make Alu Chochori, first we have to fry the potato. For that, heat about 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a pan. Add diced potato too, salt about half teaspoon and turmeric powder about half teaspoon. Mix well, fry till brown. Take off the pan and keep aside. To make the masala, heat about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan and bring it to fumes. Add 1 bay leaf and 1 dry red chili. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add about 1 teaspoon of panch foron, 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add about 2 tablespoons of grinded ginger. Saute in low to medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. To cook Alu Chochori, add the fried potato, Kashmiri red chili powder about half teaspoon, salt about half teaspoon, turmeric powder about half teaspoon, crushed green chili about half teaspoon, and water about 2.5 to 3 cups. Mix well, cook in medium to high heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Break some potato with a spoon to check if it is done. In my case, it's done but not overcooked or does not taste like mashed potato as desired. Note, if you like it this way, then add only 2 cups of water while cooking and serve. Taste it, add whatever is required. I've added about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mixed well. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes in medium to high heat. Note, the potato starch will make the curry thicker and the potato will be nicely cooked and has the taste of mashed potato. Add water as per desired thickness of curry. Serve hot with Indian bread or rice. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.